MM4 equipment is powered by a high-performance 4-stroke engine, which requires motor oil, like that used in automobiles, to run. It's recommended to use a 10W30 motor oil of API type SF grade or better. 10W40 motor oil can also be used and may actually retain better lubrication during the hot summer months. Synthetic 10W30 or 10W40 oil is also acceptable. Makita offers 10W30 motor oil in 2 convenient sizes, a 6.8-ounce bottle for the MM4 backpack blowers and power cutter. Do not overfill the engine oil. Filling the oil above the limit will result in oil leaks and possible engine damage. Deteriorated engine oil will shorten the life of your MM4 engine. Therefore, it is necessary to check and replace the engine oil regularly. It is recommended to make your initial oil change after 20 operating hours, and then subsequently every 50 hours of operation. As a reference, a general or casual user should change the oil for the first time after 2 weeks of use, then change the oil regularly every 4 weeks. For a heavy user or someone who runs the unit 4 to 6 hours per day, make the first oil change after 2 weeks of use, and then continue to change the oil every 2 weeks. Notice, allow the engine to cool before attempting to replace the engine oil. Changing the oil while the engine is hot may result in injury. To ensure the proper oil level, set the power cutter on a level surface, and then check the oil level view window to see if the oil level is between the max and minimum marks. If you're unable to see the oil level through the oil level view window, there is also an indicator inside the oil filling neck. Remove the cap and look to see if the indicator is visible at or near the top of the oil. If the oil begins to spill out over the threads, there is too much oil in the machine.